See that, man? Crazy. Crazy, man. But yeah, pretty much just wanted to give y'all a quick little look around. I mean, not much to see. It's 2-car garage, but just wanted to give y'all a little look around garage update, if you will. I don't know. I just thought it'd be cool. I need a little more room in here. Maybe clean it up a bit. Well, I don't really got much room to play with, actually. But check me out, y'all. It's my 2025 C8 Z06. Freaking love this car, man. Of course, the first one that I guess, not my first car ever, but first cool lyric car. My first car was a Civic. You know what I'm saying? I've been Chevrolet Nation way before PlayStation. But that's not even a Chevrolet logo, that's the Corvette flag. But you can see the Chevy logo there. And of course, y'all know Camaro. Big bow tie, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fly guy. Check me out. But I just wanted to do a little quick, garage tour, I guess, so to speak. Yeah, this is my, I guess, yeah, for sure, garage tour. Because in my apartment, I could not fit 2 of these. But yeah, I do got a garage, which is freaking awesome to say. Like, having the cars is cool, but a garage too to park the cars in? No complaints on my behalf. No complaints on my behalf, for sure, for sure. Z06 stock, nothing done to it. 100% stock. I've changed the freaking, added carbon fiber there. It's all just small things. I guess that's my first actual mod, because that's OEM carbon. This is not OEM, this is a third party. Shout out Paragon. Yeah, shout out Paragon. They didn't send it for free. I had to pay it, buy it my own money, obviously. Small creator. I'm not a big YouTube channel yet. But yeah, that's probably the only thing that I did add that was non-OEM. This bit of carbon there. I can't even tell it's carbon really. But yeah, that carbon, added that. It's just a little camera module. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, and then for my Camaro SS, this bad boy here. 2017, baby. Check me out. I do got some different wheels. What are these? The Forge 4-star, I think. CV5, I think. Or CF5. Something of that sort. Yeah, hopefully you can see in there. Oh, yeah. You can see that. Let me move a little closer. See if you can. Oh, you can read that perfectly. Eibach springs. I did lower this car. It's about like I don't know, 1.25 inches, I think. 1 3/4 of an inch. Went ahead and did that. Here's a better look at the wheels too, if y'all wanna see what those look like. Tires, what my tires? I think I got like 285s in the front. I think stock they came like with 245s maybe. See that? 285 30 ZR20. There you go. Yeah, 285s in the front. It's not stock though, aftermarket tire wheel, blah blah blah. Stock though on here. What are we working with? Pilot Cup 2Rs. Here we go. 275 30 ZR20. 275 versus 285 30. Dang, so my Camaro SS has a wider tire in the front. 285. 275. Hopefully I can see that. Interesting. Was not aware about that one. What's the back tire look like? 345. Golly. 21-inch wheel. See that? 305 tire. Versus, what is this, like 345? Yeah, versus 345. Yeah, this car got some fat tires. Let me give you a bottom look. Oh, shout out Paragon, added this piece too. A bought it myself, but yeah, it makes some cool parts. Check out my tires, y'all. Freaking fat. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick, it sounds weird, garage tour, but I don't know. I guess that's what it is. It's garage. It's, I don't know. Car collect. Now let's call it a garage tour. But yeah, pretty cool. Garage, 2-car garage. Freaking awesome, dude. Freaking awesome. Check me out. Camaro SS Z06. You'd probably think this car is way more difficult to drive, and I don't know, look how it looks crazy. But you know what I'm saying, 670 horsepower, I think it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like 670 horsepower. Crazy, right? But for some reason, man, this Camaro, when you're driving, mind you, it is modded a bit. Oh, mods for it. We didn't talk too far. Showed y'all the springs, headers, E85. Oh, it's tuned for 85, but I think currently it's on 93, just because last time I filled up, there was no E85, so good thing it's tuned where it could do, it's flex fuel. You know what I'm saying? Put E85 if it's there. If not, perfectly fine to mix it with 93, or vice versa, but yeah, I'm currently on 93. I guess the next one I'll put some 85. What else done to it? Cook's headers. What else? Cook's headers. I got the Borla X pipe connecting to that. My Borla Attack axle back. And then, yeah. So I guess it's full exhaust. Yeah, you can see on the Corvette, orange brake calipers on the Z06 versus right here on the SS, red. But they didn't come red factory. I did powder coat these. I forgot the name of the company or the brand, but yeah, Brembo brakes, and just got them powder coated. Brembo. Look at the rotor on this. It's like what? Small pizza, so to speak. Let's go to the ultra wide. Look at the rotor on that one versus this. Golly. Both on a, what is it, a 20-inch wheel? Yeah, 20-inch wheel there. Look at the rotor on that. Golly. Versus this is a, I think 20-inch one. Yeah, hopefully I can see it there. 20-inch wheel as well. Way smaller of a rotor. You can see that. Hey, if y'all watch I gotta do a freaking house tour. But when I first bought the house, when it was completely empty, had the hatch parked right there in the middle, taking up both spots. It looked freaking awesome. You could probably see that on that video, but yeah. And I'm yapping too much. Hey, hopefully I enjoyed this video, just this little garage tour, and yeah, just for memories, so I could look at it a couple years from now. That's what the cars were looking like at that time, and blah, blah, blah. I don't know, just think it'd be cool to record a little bit. But yeah, man, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a fat like. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. Hey, comment down below which one y'all like. Both American. Just this one looks like foreign, but come on. Y'all see the big flag on it? Big American. Y'all hear this one? It's obvious. This just sounds crazy. But y'all gotta go, head out. But I hope you enjoyed this video, man. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video, man. So yeah.